Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what happens when your Google app force stop and disable the widget. So let's get started. So if you see here, for example, if I go to the beeper, I will just press and hold for like go to Facebook. So if you see here widget, so here you can see my Facebook widgets. So if you can't see like here, so your default app can disable it. So to fix that, you can just press and hold, just click that I button. So here if it shows as force stop, just click on here and you can click on OK, then it will stop and then you can clear the data and it will be fixed. So by this way you can do it, and it's an easy way too. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.